So you have wooden peels and aluminum peels. A wooden peel has traditionally been used for a long time. The problem with them is you have to build the pizza on the peel itself. And to prevent that from sticking, you have to add a lot of flour or cornmeal to keep it from sticking to the peel. So when you bring it and put it in the oven, a lot of that will come off with your pizza. And because there's no moisture in it, it'll immediately caramelize and char. That's where you get that really bad burnt flavor, and it'll stick to the bottom of your pizza. Then you have aluminum peels, and aluminum peels allow you to slide the peel underneath the pizza itself, but a lot of them are cut and stamped at a 90-degree angle, which has a harder time going underneath the pizza. Also, when you finally get it underneath, you're depositing it into the oven, but because there's no perforations, you're still bringing a lot of that flour and cornmeal into your oven. Same problem. Alternatively, you can get a perforated aluminum peel, and ours are ground down like the edge of a blade of a knife, and they're perforated, so you slide it underneath easily, and all of that excess flour or cornmeal, or a lot of it, will fall out through those perforations, and it doesn't get deposited into your oven.